We will be diving deep into NAS.io, a platform that's making waves in the world of online communities. Is it worth using in 2025? Let's find out. NAS.io is a platform built for creators who want to build, manage, and grow their own community without the headaches of coding and managing multiple tools. Whether you're running a paid group, newsletter, or a mastermind, NAS.io makes it super easy. You can set up your community in minutes, integrate WhatsApp, Telegram, Zoom, and many more. And everything stays organized in one clean dashboard. Some of your standout features include a built-in CRM, payment processing, analytics, and even a landing pages for your community. You can accept one-time or recurring payments, track engagement, and manage members, all without needing to hire a tech team. It's perfect for creators, coaches, and consultants, or even small businesses looking to build a deeper connection with their audience. What makes NAS.io unique is how it brings under one roof. Instead of using Discord, Google Forms, or Stripe, NAS.io combines it all. It helps automate onboarding and keeps your community engaged with announcements and scheduled events. So is NAS.io worth it in 2025? Absolutely. If you're serious about building a community that runs smoothly and scales with you, it's simple, powerful, and creator focused.